I am happy to introduce the revolutionary app for traders and investors in the markets based on highly accurate, artificially intelligent algorithms, from the legend, Alex Vieira, with an uncanny track record since 1989. We are the first to bring real-time AI portfolio analysis, AI bot trading, and AI risk analysis for the iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. Watch the magic synchronized across your devices. Access highly accurate AI data analysis, and AI bot trade signals in a custom dashboard. Trade, stocks, ETFs, Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. We help you make better decisions by ensuring your most important, accurate, and reliable portfolio analysis is always a glance away. Choose your own portfolio and widgets according to your budget, or go with one of the available artificially intelligent plans. I invite you to enroll in the free course to learn how simple it is, and to learn what no one else can do. You are one step away from dramatically improve your life according to hundreds of legitimate users' reviews. No one can beat you using artificial intelligence in the markets.
Hi, Alex here live after hours with Hertz. Today we are downgrading Hertz and recommending to sell everything. And the downgrade is basically a downgrade to junk, or a reiteration of the junk rating on a long-term basis. And the reason for downgrade it is also rather simple. We have people calling in with 20,000% profit. This downgrade follows my recent recommendation made public worldwide, closing entirely short positions at 50 cents. Let me write it here, 20% profit, people calling in. And by the way, I dislike profoundly gambling, and maintaining a long position here in Hertz, it is gambling, and you do not want to gamble in the markets. Hertz, it is a bankrupt company, therefore you shall sell everything, and you shall also go in short the stock as I'm recommending. Having said this, we also made this announcement 100% free worldwide for several reasons, being one of them. The stock is going to crash again, and obviously our aim is to help people not to be hurt, and you have to follow the instructions, and period. Thank you.